Hey there YouTube, today I'll be showing you where to get free ringtones for your cell phone. I know this isn't my normal videos on how to fix computers, but I'm just throwing something out there, just a little, I guess a little Easter egg or goodie bag, whatever you want to call it. So, I want to show you. I want you to open up your web browser, and this is where I get my free ringtones, and it's perfectly legal. Go to your little address bar and type in www.funformobile.com. And then once you're there, well, you're obviously going to sign up. Click sign up and then enter in your information. Once that's done, you log in. I want to log in really quick. Then you come to your account. So what I'm going to do now is, what I want you to do is, once you're in your account, click this little button right here off to the side. And then get what you want. Say if I want to get a ringtone, you just click on tone, then the name. Like, say if you want to get the ringtone clocks, type in clocks, and then search it. And then you have it right here. Click it. Then it'll start playing. There you have it. There's your ringtone. Then what I want you to do now is, if you like it, or if you like your ringtone, you just click send to phone. And then you punch in your, and you'll definitely see the do from there. I'm not gonna do that because I don't want you guys to see my phone number. I'm sorry, but can't have my phone number. And it's the same thing for pictures. You can type in lol. Let's type in lol, see what comes in. And then here, what the heck? There you go. Here's your little picture of a kid throwing up a white goo. I guess, I don't know. Then again, you click send to phone, and then you just pop it, and then you'll figure it out from there. It's really simple. I hope this helps you in getting free ringtones, pictures, and videos. Feel free to add to the site. This site you can upload your own. So feel free to upload. Thanks for watching. I hope this video helps you, and it's just a little something out there I wanted to show you guys. Don't forget to rate, subscribe, comment, and have a great day.